It's been 1 hour and 22 minutes. We're just hanging the bag now and letting it drain. That worked pretty flawless. Just lift it up and let it drain. Now I'll just snake the false bottom out of the bottom there. Set it aside and start bringing the wort up to temp. Have my element turned off right now. I want that off while I'm messing with that false bottom down there. I'm just going to let this drain continuously while I bring the wort up to a boil. I'll get a measurement to see how much wort I had left over and calibrate my absorption with this system. But so far so good. I'll check back later.